Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps how to fix LG Smart TV not turning on. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow, check the standby light. For this purpose, you have to locate the standby light at the bottom of the TV. If it's off, ensure the power cord is securely connected to both the TV and the wall outlet. If the light is on, proceed to the next step. Number 2. Use the TV's power button. Press the power button located on the TV itself. If the TV powers on, the issue may be with the remote control. Number 3. Inspect the remote control. For this purpose, we have to replace the batteries in the remote. Ensure there is no obstruction between the remote and the TV sensor. Number 4. Power cycle the TV. For this purpose, we have to unplug the TV from the wall outlet. Wait for at least 60 seconds. Press and hold the power button on the TV for 60 seconds. Plug the TV back in and attempt to power it on. Number 5. Verify the power source. Plug another device into the same outlet to confirm it's supplying power. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.